Hello there and welcome back. Today we're going to do sets in Python. We're going to create a set, we're going to add numbers to the set, we're going to remove numbers from the set, and we're going to make a set and increase the value of the numbers in that set just for fun. So let's start off with creating a function. Define my set. This is my set 1. Okay. And we're just going to create the set here. So my set is equal to set. This is how we create the set here. My set is equal to set. Okay, so simply my set dot add. So we're going to add number 1 to our set, because at the moment our set is empty, so we are just populating it. So my set 2 dot add, my set dot add to the number 2, my set dot add the number 3. Okay, right, so I'm going to print a little message to the user, print here, and we're going to give the user a message which is called adding numbers to set. Okay, adding numbers to set there, and we're going to call my set. Whoops, not like that, we're not. My set. There we go. Right. Okay, underneath this, in the same function, we're going to remove them. So I'm going to print a message to the user so they know what's going on. So, and it's simply going to be called, I'm going to do a new line there, it's simply going to be called removing numbers from set. Removing numbers from set there. That's easy enough. So again, it's going to be my set dot remove. So we're going to remove number 1. It's going to be my set dot remove, and that's going to be number 2. Okay, and my set dot remove, that's going to be number 3. And then my set dot remove, so we're going to remove those, and now we're going to print a message to the user. Simply print what can we say? Empty. There you go. And my set, so you can see the set is empty. Right, okay, now we are going to create another function called define increasing, let's call it increasing values. Define increasing values here. So again, print out a line to the user to let them know what's going on. So numbers will increase in value. Okay, numbers will increase in value. Okay, we're going to create another set in here. Same way that we did the first set, calling it my set. Don't worry about the name of it, because these are in 2 separate functions. So function 1 won't have access to function 2 and vice versa. So don't worry about that. My set is equal to set. And there we go. And my set dot add, so we're going to add a number here, 1 again times by 5. Let's say this will increase the value of the number. My set dot add to okay, and the next one, my set dot add, it's going to be number 3. Okay, and right, that's about it. So what I'm going to do again, print out a message to the user so they know what's happening in the program. I'm going to do it on a new line. Okay. Oh dear, what's happened there? I've hit the wrong button. Hey. Right. Okay, on a new line, let's have a look, and we're going to say values are increasing. And we're going to print that out, of course, so the user can see it using my set there. Okay, let's just move that up and make it look a bit prettier, shall we? Okay, now all we have to do is call this function, and I'm going to call it by my set one. So my set one. Okay, this is how we're going to call the function. Now, very important, just save it to our Python folder here. I've already got it in my Python folder. If you don't have a Python folder, you'll have to go into your documents and create a folder called Python and store all your programs in there. Okay, let's run it and let's see what happens, shall we? Okay, run module. Okay, so let me just expand this so we can get a better look at it. Adding numbers to the set. So here we've had an empty set and we've added number 1, number 2, number 3. As you can see, we've populated that set. And we go down here, removing numbers from the set. So as you can see now, the set is empty. Okay, and guess what happened to my increasing values? It didn't show up. And why didn't it show up? Because I forgot one very important thing, is to call it increasing values. Okay, now we should be able to see it. We should be able to execute it now. So let's save that. Let's run it again. Okay, we've got a little bit of an issue here, so let's sort this out. And the eagle-eyed ones out there will be able to spot the error. I put AAD. Okay. Happens, you know, when you type in really fast. Happens, always happens to me. Well, it happens to everybody. That's why I always say, when you do your code, I mean, I'm just doing it for you guys. I'm doing it as fast as I can. But when you do your code, when you're serious about it, type a little bit of code, test it. Type, test, type, test. And that way you won't have to sort through pages of code to find out where your errors are. Okay, here we go. Let's run it again. Okay, success. There we go. Values are increasing 10, 5, 15. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. And I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, thumbs up to it. Hit that subscribe button. It's not up there. It's not there. I think it's at the front or it's just below. Anyway, hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.